Hey Tech Explorers! Welcome back to another exciting episode on Tech Explorer. Today, we are diving into the latest buzz around the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news and reviews. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 is expected to feature a sleek and modern design with rounded corners, moving away from the square-edged corners of previous models. The phone will likely come in multiple color variants, including some new and exciting options. The design is not just about aesthetics, it's also about functionality. The Galaxy S25 is rumored to have a more ergonomic feel, making it comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. Next up, let's talk about the display. The Samsung Galaxy S25 is expected to feature a large 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 3200 x 1440 pixels. This display promises vibrant colors and sharp details, making it perfect for gaming, streaming, and everything in between. With a refresh rate of 120 Hz or possibly higher, you can expect buttery smooth scrolling and an immersive viewing experience. The thin bezels and high screen-to-body ratio contribute to a more immersive experience, and the touch sampling rate ensures that every touch is registered instantly. This is crucial for gamers who need precise and responsive controls. Additionally, the display supports HDR10+, enhancing the dynamic range and color accuracy for a more lifelike viewing experience. Under the hood, the Samsung Galaxy S25 is expected to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset for the Ultra variant, while the Standard and Plus models might feature the MediaTek Dimensity 9400. These processors are designed to deliver top-notch performance, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or running demanding applications. It's a significant upgrade from its predecessor, ensuring that the Galaxy S25 can handle anything you throw at it with ease. Let's break down what this means for everyday use. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and Dimensity 9400 are built on advanced 4nm processors, making them more power efficient and capable of higher performance. This means faster app launches, smoother multitasking, and an overall snappier experience. For gamers, these chipsets promise to deliver high frame rates and reduced latency, making your gaming sessions more enjoyable. Moreover, the AI capabilities of these processors are enhanced, allowing for better camera performance, smarter voice assistance, and improved battery management. Imagine taking photos with advanced AI features that automatically adjust settings for the best shot, or having a voice assistant that understands and responds to your commands more accurately. Now, let's dive into the camera system. The Samsung Galaxy S25 is expected to feature a quad-camera setup with a high-resolution primary sensor, likely 200MP for the Ultra variant. This setup includes an ultra-wide camera, a telephoto camera with 10x optical zoom, and a periscope telephoto camera with up to 100x space zoom. The front camera is expected to be 40MP, optimized for selfies and video calls. With advanced AI capabilities, the camera can automatically adjust settings to capture the best shot in any scenario. Whether you're taking photos in low light or capturing fast-moving subjects, the Galaxy S25's camera is designed to deliver stunning results. The inclusion of optical image stabilization, OIS, ensures that your photos and videos are sharp and clear, even in challenging conditions. Moving on to memory and storage, the Samsung Galaxy S25 comes with multiple configurations. You can choose from 12 gigabytes or 16 gigabytes of RAM, paired with 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, or even 1 terabyte of internal storage 3. This flexibility ensures that you have plenty of space for all your apps, photos, and videos, and the RAM options mean you can pick the right performance level for your needs. With 16 gigabytes of RAM, you can keep more apps open in the background without experiencing any slowdown. And with up to 1 terabyte of storage, you'll have ample space for all your high-resolution photos, 4K videos, and large game files. Additionally, the Galaxy S25 supports UFS 4.0 storage, offering faster read and write speeds compared to older storage technologies. Battery life is always a crucial factor, and the Samsung Galaxy S25 doesn't disappoint. It's expected to pack a 5500 mAh battery, which should easily last you through a full day of heavy use. And when you do need to recharge, the 100W wired charging will get you back up and running in no time. Plus, there's 50W wireless charging support for added convenience. With a 5500 mAh battery, you can expect up to 10 hours of screen on time, depending on your usage. And with 100W fast charging, you can go from 0 to 100% in just about 30 minutes. Wireless charging is another great feature, especially if you have a wireless charging pad on your desk or nightstand. Let's not forget the extra features that make the Samsung Galaxy S25 stand out. It includes an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor for quick and secure access. The phone also supports 5G connectivity, ensuring you have the fastest internet speeds available. Other features include dual stereo speakers for an enhanced audio experience, an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, and the latest One UI 7 based on Android 14. So, there you have it, folks. The Samsung Galaxy S25 is shaping up to be an impressive flagship contender with top-of-the-line features. From its stunning design and powerful display to its versatile camera system and robust battery life, this phone has a lot to offer. What are your thoughts on the Samsung Galaxy S25? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Tech Explorer for more tech updates. Until next time, stay tech savvy.